ready to come out. It says, "Eat me if you dare." Okay, you're not going to believe this next recipe. This is my flaming hot Cheeto onion rings. Look, flaming hot Cheeto onion rings. We took these Cheetos, placed them in a Ziploc bag, squeezed the air out, sealed it, and just pounded these down till we got a crushed. Look at that. So, we made a batter. Check out our onion ring recipes that are here. Also, just check, we got onion rings, we have vegetables, so many other good things to offer. You'll find the recipe for the batter, and you'll also find it in the directions below, okay? So, how are we gonna kick this up a notch? I've got my batter. We're gonna take some of these flaming hot Cheeto onion rings, woo, put them in there. Oh man, let's get a little bit more. Let's see what happens. Mix it into the batter. Ooh, look at that red. I know it's hot. If you've ever eaten these things, you know they are hot. So now, I have my batter. Now what we're gonna do is we're taking our onion rings. All right, there's that flaming hot batter. And I've got my onion rings in there. Just go ahead and tap them on the side like this. And then place them back into some more of those Cheetos. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's get the other ones in there too. Come on. We want to make them all happy. Share the heat. So, now that you have your batter, what we want to do is put a little more crunch into those onion rings. So right around here they go. Get some of this extra crunch on all of them and into the hot oil. Boom. Just like that. Just like that. We're going to cook them till they get a beautiful golden color. There we go. Look at that. Yes, 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 yes. Cook, cook, cook. Keep your temperature around 350, so you want to have a good eye on it, okay? Oh, look out. I'm looking for a nice brown on both sides. This one is ready to come out. It says, "Eat me if you dare." All right, here we go. There's another one ready to pop out. Just come on out, join the crowd. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Who would believe that you could come up with something like this, right? Well, you know, when you check in with Chef Don McMillan's videos, you will always be amazed. So. Wow. Now, this is a treat. So, if you're ready to surprise your palate, bite into one of these babies. Now, I didn't have to put any salt on them. These Cheetos are already pre-salted, but these are delicious. So, check out our videos, subscribe, like us, share with your friends, check out our recipes, share, let me know if you have some comments about it. And remember, when you're cooking with Chef Don, everything is going to be absolutely simple and delicious. Fiery too today, but delicious.